Today we will discuss about the behavior related questions which can be asked in a big course, okay, which has been really asked, okay. Now the first question is tell me something about yourself, okay. Then the next question which comes is what is your strength, what is your weakness, and then about the do you have any questions for us? These are the basically questions they are asked. They're asking you. Okay, so tell me something about yourself. Okay, and tell me something on self. You tell about yourself. Okay, about your articleship background. Now, if you are preparing for a stat audit interview, so you have to tell about the stat audit experiences majorly. If it is internal audit, then it is internal audit. If it is direct tax, then it is direct tax. So that has to be there. Okay. And then you have to tell about the company also that I wanted. For example, if I'm appearing for a stat audit interview, I'll say that my name is C. Ghanshyam Agarwal. I recently qualified chartered accountant. I have done article C from this firm where I have learned in stat audit a lot of, I have got a very good exposure. Here I have handled the key areas. I prepared work papers of fixed asset inventory, cash and bank balances, and I've also did the analytical review, CARO testing, schedule free disclosures. Okay, so I have observed many observations. I wanted to join your Big Four organization because I was deeply interested in stat audit, as I feel that this is the profile that I really enjoyed working in my articleship period. I would be grateful if I can get an opportunity to join your firm. Please do let me know if anything else you'd like to know about me. Okay, so I what I did well, okay, in the stat audit, I am focused much more on the stat audit part of it. Okay, so that is what I was saying. कि you have to make sure that the interviewer को लगना चाहिए कि आप interest है ये profile को लेके and you have the interest, passion, everything is there in your answer and you are the right fit for this job. Okay, we'll do the other questions as well in this interview, this round in this. Okay, now they might ask you about the SWOT analysis of your personality. Okay, so what is the strength? Okay, you say I'm hardworking, punctual, good in networking, meeting deadlines, team spirit, leadership skills. Team spirit, you give an example. One friend was in trouble due to some reasons. He was not able to complete the work. I took the ownership and completed the work. Tiffin sharing, knowledge sharing, help explain patient with teaching skills. That is team spirit. Leadership. One of the client I did audit for the first time. It was manufacturing sector, so it was for the first time. I did not have much expertise. Next time when I went for CA final, he told the principal I will handle it properly. Although he did not give me that much of guidance, that was the pressure. So I had to call the client to get the data, update and status, update register, review the work of the first year article. So you can show that I have handled the projects under my belt. I have guided my juniors and all things. This comes under team spirit and leadership skills. What is the weakness? Okay, in my article C period, I had a problem of patience. I wanted to learn everything very quickly. Therefore, I was not able to execute the work which was given to me with full attention. I was also not reviewing my work properly, and I was dependent on my senior for telling my mistakes. It is created a bad impression earlier due to which I lost some key client works and allocated to my friend. This instrument made me much more serious and responsible and perfect towards the work I get and give less chances to senior to find out the mistakes in my work. So this you can say in your weakness कि initially जब मेरे को काम मिलता था I was getting my work okay. At that time I used to make a lot of mistakes because I was lacking perfection. मुझे जल्दी जल्दी काम चाहिए था. That was the reason. But later on I instant made me because I was not getting that much of responsibility. I reviewed my work later on. This instant made me more serious, responsible, and perfect was the work I'm getting and give less chances to senior to find out the mistakes. What is the present weakness? To be very honest, there is no such weakness I remember with respect to work is something. There's always a scope of improvement in everything we do. And perhaps I'm trying to improve my typing speed more faster, typing without seeing to increase the typing speed. So I'm trying to improve my typing speed is little slow. So I'm trying to improve it. So like this, you can say that I don't have any major weakness, but I think there's a scope of improvement in everything. Okay. These are the questions we like analytical procedures they generally ask. Okay. Now this is question big four. In analytical procedure, we do the variance analysis, current year, previous year का figures लेके differences निकाल के and we find out the what is the reason for the differences. Analytical review is done at two stage. One at the planning and at the closure stage. Okay, in the planning stage, हम लोग करते हैं analytical review to identify the significant account nature, timing, extent of audit procedures. एंड क्लोजर स्टेज में भी करते हैं जब आपका वर्क पेपर्स बन जाता है एक बार एंड देन वी डू द क्लोजिंग द ऑडिट देन आल्सो वी डू द एनालिटिकल प्रिपेयर टू इन्फॉर्म द मैनेजमेंट अबाउट द सिग्निफिकेंट वेरिएंसेस इन फॉर्म और ऑडिट ओपिनियन. ठीक है. एनालिटिकल रिव्यू में आपका रेशियो एनालिसिस भी आता है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रेशियो जो आपने टैक्स ऑडिट में करा होगा, तो रेशियोज को एनालाइज करने का भी काम होता है एनालिटिकल। एंड ऑल्सो वी डू द ट्रेंड एनालिसिस ऑल्सो, हम लोग ट्रेंड देखते हैं काफी पीरियड्स का, ठीक है। तो okay, now question for example, they can ask you, okay, if you're giving an interview of Deloitte USA, so why Deloitte USA over other big fours? Why EY GDS over other big four? So this question can be asked. I heard about the culture is very good, learning environment is very good. I like to handle the offshore clients for gaining the new experiences. Has already dealt with the Indian clients in my article से। अगर इंडियन बिग फोर हुआ तो अब बोलते हैं ना इंडियन क्लाइंट्स मेरे को मन है काम करने का, या ऑफशोर क्लाइंट है ऑफशोर क्लाइंट्स। A question that is always asked is how will you value inventory cost of NRV whichever is low? In case the fees is the raw material will be also at the cost। अगर आपका रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट में तो ये कॉस्ट में होगा कॉस्ट, ठीक है। So this is very important, cost of NRV। How do you do the NRV testing of the closing sale of 31st March? We take the subsequent sales after 31st March sales register, selling at reward price with the cost and NRV when we take NRV, ठीक है। Others, and how will you handle the misstatements while doing the vouching? Misstatements I communicate with the senior first and discuss with the client. If the misstatement is material above performance materiality, we will ask the management to correct the uncorrected misstatement. If it is not done, we will qualify the audit report. अगर आपका above PM है, I have also discussed in materiality. Also, I am discussing again कि अगर आपका above material performance materiality, we will ask to correct. If they don't, we qualify. If it is below materiality, then we will ask them to correct. We don't do anything. उस टाइम हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी विल आस्क द मैनेजमेंट टू राइट, इफ दे आर नॉट करेक्टिंग द मिसस्टेटमेंट तो वो मैनेजमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन लेटर में चला जाएगा कि समरी ऑफ अनकरेक्टेड मिसस्टेटमेंट्स विल नॉट क्वालिफाई द रिपोर्ट। वी विल आस्क द मैनेजमेंट टू, ये जस्ट अ सेकंड, we will ask to correct if they don't, and if they don't, we will ask them to mention in MRL summary of uncorrected misstatements. Okay. Now, what are the different types of opinion? This is asked in an interview. The opinion can be qualified adverse disclaimer. This was asked in Big Fours only. So when we give qualified, when the material misstatement is material but not pervasive, everything is good subject to certain mistakes. When a misstatement is material and pervasive, सब कुछ ही गलत है, like everything is wrong, you're finding it out. Disclaimer, when there is a significant limitation on audit by the client, when we are not able to obtain the sufficient audit evidence. Client is not cooperating with the sufficient audit data. Okay. This question we have already done। वॉक थ्रू क्या होता है पता ही है। वॉक थ्रू स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक हम लोग जो करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड वॉक थ्रू। टेस्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल्स में डिजाइन टेस्टिंग होता है, ऑपरेटिंग इफेक्टिवनेस वी चेक, टीओडी इज वाउचिंग, असर्टन टेस्टिंग होता है, रेवेन्यू कट ऑफ डिस्कस्ड, ऑडिट रिस्क में आपका कर कंट्रोल रिस्क, इनहेरेंट रिस्क एंड डिटेक्शन रिस्क। ओके, तो ऑडिट रिस्क के बारे में आप पढ़ लीजिएगा, कंट्रोल रिस्क, इनहेरेंट रिस्क, डिटेक्शन रिस्क इज देयर। Then revenue recognition management override। The question that is come okay in interviews, management override of controls क्या होता है? So management sometimes override or bypass the internal controls like attendance register manual होना, SAP journal entry pass हो रहा है that can be edited by the management without informing the lower levels। PO का split up होना, purchase order split up ना, purchase order split up is something like that, okay, कि अगर आपका 50,000 से ऊपर का पीओ है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल परचेज ऑर्डर है, तो दिस हायर लेवल अथॉरिटी कैन ओनली अप्रूव दैट पीओ। ओके, आपका हायर लेवल अथॉरिटी कैन ओनली अप्रूव दैट पीओ ना। ये पीओ स्प्लिट अप कर दिया जाता है कि अब जैसे 50,000 से ऊपर होने से ये पर्टिकुलर मैनेजर कर पाएगा, तो उसको क्या करते हैं हम लोग स्प्लिट कर देते हैं 25,000 20,000 क्यों हायर लेवल तक जा ही नहीं पाए वो पीओ। तो दैट इज दिस इज ऑल्सो मैनेजमेंट ओवरराइड ऑफ कंट्रोल। तो पीओ इज स्प्लिट अप टू बाईपास द अप्रूवल ऑफ द हायर अथॉरिटी। ठीक है। हाउ विल यू चेक द कंप्लीटनेस ऑफ पेरोल? कंप्लीटनेस हमेशा याद रखिएगा कि आप रजिस्टर से जर्नल लेजर ट्रायल बैलेंस एफएस को मिला रहा है कोई भी चीज का, ठीक है। वॉक थ्रू आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन डिजाइन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन। तो टेस्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल में आपका डिजाइन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन एंड टेस्ट ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग इफेक्टिवनेस होता है। डिजाइन टेस्टिंग वी चेक वन सैंपल, वन और टू सैंपल्स टू चेक द कंट्रोल डिजाइन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, डिजाइन है कि नहीं है मैनेजमेंट का। एंड टेस्ट ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग में हम लोग ज्यादा सैंपल्स लेते हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन द रोमो टू चेक द ऑपरेटिंग इफेक्टिवनेस थ्रू आउट द ऑडिट। तो याद रखिएगा डिजाइन टेस्टिंग में हम लोग एक दो सैंपल लेके वॉक थ्रू करेंगे विथ कंट्रोल मैट्रिक्स, and in the case of operating effectiveness we will take more samples depending on the ROM. This is what we do. MRL and LOE में क्या डिफरेंस है? लेटर ऑफ एंगेजमेंट स्टार्टिंग में होता है, एंगेजमेंट लेटर साइन होता है तभी ऑडिट स्टार्ट होगा। MRL क्या होता है? MRL इज समथिंग लाइक समथिंग वी आर सेइंग कि दी मैनेजमेंट का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है अबाउट दे आर कंफर्मिंग द बैलेंसेस ऑफ सर्टेन थिंग्स। उसमें हम लोग चाहते हैं कि वो मैनेजमेंट भी इसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले, सो दैट हम लोग के ऊपर में बाद में फिर कोई दिक्कत ना आए एज एन ऑडिटर को। ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, तो यू नीड टू नो अबाउट इट। ओके, एक्सक्यूज मी। ठीक है, आज के